go.
Today I'm going to be pruning trees in this beautiful old orchard. So I've got about 12 trees pruned, and we're going to be putting all the clippings, all the branches through the machine. This is my first outing with the Forestmaster FM8DD wood chipper. that's your finished product. Extremely nice chip. Nice little square chip. So can this little chipper chip this? Let's see, shall we? You're not going to get that through that machine. It's too thick. That's a log. But the rest of this should go through this machine, so we'll soon find out. it's stalled. It's not even that thick. You've got to hold it back though, I guess, and the wood's a bit dead. So as you can see there, it struggled with the tree when you try to put it through quickly, just let go of it, it stalled. So with this machine, don't expect the world. You've just got it, it'll do it, but you've got to hold the branches back, otherwise what happened there, you've seen it tried to take too much in too quick and it stalled. So from the tree, the Christmas tree, that's what you're left with. So it is about 3 inch there, at that, about 3 inch. But that's a log, and the rest of it, as you can see, just gone to nothing. That's one log pile. So that was the Forest Master's first day out. Managed to get about 12 of these trees pruned and chipped. So my first thoughts of the Forest Master FM8DD is it's a capable machine for its size. Now don't expect the world with this machine. If you've got to cut up the branches small enough, because the infeed at this point is pretty narrow. So as long as you prepare the branches, it chips them okay. I'm impressed in the infeed how it drags the branches in. It drags them in with force. I mean, that's how I got the machine stalled, because I tried to chip the top of a Christmas tree, and it just took it off me that quick. The engine couldn't keep up with the size of the bit of wood, and it stalled. So as long as you're prepared to hold the branches back, it will chip 3-inch, no problem. But yeah, initial thoughts so far, I like it. It's great. I mean, the whole point of this machine is it's just so easy to move, and you can take it in them landlocked gardens because you can take it through someone's house, no problem at all. So that's your product that comes through the machine. This side, that's the Christmas tree, and it's just lots of little needles, and then that's your wood chip. Nice square little bits of chip, about 2 centimetres. Lovely, just like gravel. So 12 trees went to that and that.